What's up, guys? It is time for one last update on this intercooler on the 99. So let me show you what we're up to. So I've got the bumper off the 99 again, and the reason why is I've done another little bit of changing stuff here. I originally thought I might need to replace this intercooler pump down here, but I actually didn't need to because I found the problem. The problem was it was full of air. I don't know if you remember before, but in the last video when I put these clear lines in, you could see that when it was running there were huge air pockets up here and very little fluid was going through. So I knew I wanted to move the fill anyway, so what I did was I went up here to the front. Try to show you what I did there. I had to loop this tube through here, but I've got it hooked into the fill on the top of the heat exchanger down at the bottom. And when I did that, I noticed there was a lot of air there too. So I filled it to about here, ran it, filled it, ran it until it would stay nice and full, whether it was running or not. And now it is doing way better. So I think the problem was the fill being up here on these lines just wasn't very efficient. So let me set you guys up where you can see these lines, and I'll show you how much better it does now. And just like that, no air bubbles. Look at how much fluid's moving. Way better flow than what I was getting before. And I still get the occasional air bubble, so I'm not sure that it's completely airless right now, but it's flowing so much more fluid and so much less air now. I'm much happier with it. And the way I've got it was I just used the plug off the intercooler heat exchanger in the front as a cap for that hose, and it's wedged in here tight. It's not going anywhere, but it's not kinking it or anything, so you can still get fluid in it fine, and you can see, since it's a clear tube, whether or not it's full. So if you're going to do the intercooler setup like this, that is where I would put the fill. I would definitely recommend using that. It bleeds out so much better than when the fill is in the hoses. So that's what's going on there. I've just got to finish putting this back together, and I am done. This car is all set, and now that the intercooler is working good, we're ready to do some final data logs and then probably take it back to the track. So that is it for today. It was kind of a short video, but I just wanted to show you guys that I found the problem and what the problem was. So anyone who watched my original intercooler install video will know to change up where the fill is. That should take care of that problem. But we are pretty much ready to take this one to the track. I don't think that's going to be the next video, but it will be pretty soon. And then I've got some work we've got to do on the 07 again. So like this video, comment, let me know what you thought. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and peace.